it's Alisha and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most important aspects of makeup, creating a flawless, crease-free and non-patchy base. So, if you have been struggling with your base makeup, keep watching because I've got you covered. A good base starts with the right skincare. So starting off with the rose water, just take a bit in your hand and gently tap it onto your face. Rose water is not only refreshing but also soothing for the skin. Next, I'll be using the Praush Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer. This product is fantastic for providing a smooth, hydrated base for makeup application. It not only moisturizes but also helps to blur imperfections, making your skin more even and ready for next steps. For days when my skin feels extremely dry, like today, I also like to use an oil primer for an extra boost of hydration. A few drops of oil primer can make a huge difference, especially if your skin is feeling dry. Now, let's tackle any discoloration with some color correction. Let me quickly explain which colors neutralize each other. This is where the color wheel comes in handy. On the color wheel, colors that are opposite each other are called complementary colors. Redness caused by acne or irritation, a green corrector works wonders. Green neutralizes red. So when you apply a green corrector to red areas, it diminishes the appearance of redness, giving you a more even complexion. Similarly, when we have dark circles with blue or purple undertones, using an orange or peach corrector helps to cancel out those tones, making the under eye look brighter and more even. After color correcting, I like to use a shade that's two-tone darker to create a blank canvas. This step ensures all the corrected areas blend seamlessly under the foundation. For foundation, I am using the Forever 52 foundation. A little goes a long way. So, I am using just one pump for my entire face. First, I am placing the foundation with my fingertip all over the face. Then, I am blending it with a dense flat kabuki brush. Remember, don't drag the foundation onto your skin. Instead, buff and tap it into the skin. Dragging can cause the products used underneath to come out, so be gentle and use a tapping motion for a flawless finish. For concealer, I am using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer. This is fantastic for brightening up under the eyes and covering any blemishes or imperfections. I am applying it directly where needed and letting it dry for at least 30 to 40 seconds before blending. This allows the concealer to settle and provide more coverage. Once it's had a moment to set, blend it out with a brush. When blending, use a light hand and a tapping motion with the brush. This helps to seamlessly blend the concealer into your foundation without disturbing the base underneath. It's all about achieving a smooth finish. After applying your concealer, grab some loose powder on a powder puff. Tap off any excess on the back of your hand. Now, take a beauty blender to ensure there are no creases under your eyes. Next, take the powder puff and gently press the powder into your under eye area to set the concealer. After setting, it's time for baking. Something I only do for heavy eye looks. Don't miss my next video, where I'll be teaching you an amazing eye look. Remember, life is short, so make every moment count. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, and keep slaying those looks.